Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about the wonderful properties of the burdock root, my go-to when it comes to any sort of urinary issues, any sort of digestive issues as well. If I want to give my liver a little bit of love, because this herb, the burdock root, is known as the liver supporter. It supports the liver, it supports the kidneys. I use it about once or twice a week, especially when I'm in the first few weeks of the keto program, when the body is trying to go into a bit of a detox mode to help in weight loss as well. I found that this herb gives the liver a little bit of a push, a little bit of a support with that. You could also use it for other things, but mainly with the burdock root, it's actually known to help in getting rid of the buildup of toxins in the body. Also great for any sort of digestive upsets, digestive weaknesses, anyone suffering from joint pain as well. I highly advise you to try burdock root tea. It's great as well that way. Now you can also use a tincture, which is more bioavailable, it's more concentrated, and it's more it delivers the right quantity that you need in an easy to use format. So you can either make your own alcohol-free tincture, or you can opt for one at the store. And the reason is why I say alcohol-free, specifically in this case when it comes to burdock, is not only because I prefer not to use alcohol on a personal level, but also this herb is very supportive for the liver. So preferably if you could take an alcohol-free version, that would really help in supporting the liver as well. You don't want to introduce any sort of alcohol when you're trying to help your liver and support your liver and your kidneys. So these were the ways that I use the burdock root and why I love the burdock root. I also find that it really helps to clear my skin, because I suffer from even though I do have dry, sensitive skin, from time to time I do suffer from breakouts. I do suffer from a little bit of acne here and there. So I find that drinking burdock root tea has helped me with that personally, on a personal level. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then why not subscribe, like, share, and click on the bell icon in order to be notified of all our new videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I love and support every one of you for supporting the channel. Take care.